Welcome to Computing Fundamentals tutorial. So in this video we are going to learn on how to insert and remove the cover page on the Word document. Right, so firstly what you need to do, you must go to insert. Right, you can go to insert. So when you are on insert from your menu, you can see from the left hand side it says pages. Under pages there's a cover page there, cover page. So you click there, that option. So as you click it, it'll show you the cover pages that are available on Windows that you can use. You see, and you can even download the more cover pages from office.com. You can download more cover pages from office.com. So these are the ones that the default ones that are available, the ones that we can use. So in order to insert the cover page is very easier. As you are here, you just select the cover page that you want to use. Then from here I will just select any. I'll just select this with the left button on your mouse, single click, and then the cover page will be inserted. You can see. So this is the cover page. So in order to remove the cover page, you will go to the same step where you inserted the cover page, and you can see here it says remove the current cover page. So when you select it, the cover page will be gone. Right, so this is how you insert and remove the cover page in Word, in Microsoft Word. So if you like this video, you can click the like button below and also subscribe so that you can be able to get notified as I upload the new videos. So thank you for watching.